Hello, my name is Jim Mullaney from Sitek Process Solutions. You don't see me in the video because we're doing a close-up of a controller. We have a customer that wanted to see a nice short video of how our state-of-the-art N2 Purge Saver works. So I'm going to go in and do a very short 1 to 2 minute video on this to show you how you set it up and describe how it works and show it in action. So right now, as you can see, the N2 Saver is activated, and that's the drop-down menu. You will keep watching the screen. I'm going to unactivate it. By doing that, I'm going to get loaded. I'm walking up with a load of wafers, and I'm going to load them. You notice, okay, it went away, the drop down, and I hear the nitrogen purge. So that's how easy it is to turn off and on for the operator who walks up to the tool. So for programming, the N2 Purge Saver is built into our system. You have two ways of doing the N2 Purge Saver. You have the N2 Purge Saver that cuts off 80% of the nitrogen, and then we also have a valve assembly which we're going to be given different drawings to that cut off 100% of the nitrogen. It's built into our system. There's no extra cost, and you just go to N2 settings. The N2 Saver settings has how long of a delay after you remove your wafers. It's a sliding scale. You can do what you want. I'm going to do it quick for the video. I'll do 10 seconds. So that means after the process is done, the wafers are removed, 10 seconds later, the N2 will turn off. Some customers like to have or have asked us, and we modified our software last year, to be able to turn the N2 on randomly. They said whatever they want. How about every 4 hours, just give a little purge? It's whatever you want. It can be 0, it can be anything. And then to turn the N2 purge off and on, that's the on. If you don't want to use N2 Purge Saver for any reason, which everyone does, but that's how you turn it off and on. We also have the N2 cool down after a long process. That's a predefined step that we have. The customers, if they run a long nitrogen dry cycle, the N2 heater manifold made out of stainless steel gets hot, and you want to make sure it cools down. So we have it predetermined. You cannot have the N2 purge come on until after that cool down's happened. So you can turn that on and off like that. So simple as that. Okay, so now we have N2 Saver on. Okay, that's all you have to do. And right now, if you have just the software, we're turning off the LPP to the system, which uses the biggest amount of air. The LPP is called low pressure purge, and I can feel it blowing right now. And that utilizes, again, more than 80% of the nitrogen. Okay, if you add our valve assembly, it turns off also the anti-static and the labyrinth seal flow. So you get 100% of the air turned off. Okay, so we have our N2 Saver set. It's done. Okay, I'm going to imagine this process down below. Just open. I'm just took my wafers out. You saw the door open. I'm closing it. Again, I only have it set for 10 seconds. So right now, you have N2 purging into the bowl, just like a traditional controller. At the end of 10 seconds, there we go. I heard the valve didn't work. I can hear no more nitrogen down below, and the N2 Saver is activated. Right there, we turn the nitrogen off automatically. That easy, that simple for anybody to use. The programming is simple. It's a sliding scale to set how long you want to wait, when do you want it to come back on, and the N2 extended dry for long processes. So again, as we said, now I walk up, let's call it an hour later. The operator has another load of cassettes. I take my cassettes, I load it in. I just heard the engine turn on. I can hear it blowing now down below perfectly, purging, and then you hit start. So that is the simple version of our N2 Saver, how easy it is, how well it works. And if there's any questions, feel free to call us. Thank you.